it's me.
Yes.
Today I'm going to unboxing Creality 3D printing filament. And this video is not sponsored. So
One day.
no, yes, one day, never. Let's
Open the box.
open, but how? Wait.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Come on. Not.
What not?
Oh my god.
But next time I will let you to do. If you know to make better than me.
Check.
Okay, so first let's open all and then I'm going to show all, okay?
No, open it.
This?
Yeah.
But I can't do here. I'm trying to check what kind of color is this. But it's a red bronze. You wanted me to open. Jesus, it's so heavy.
It's really cool.
This is red. This is not red. Red bronze. Check.
It's bronze.
Put it on the box. On this box. To know what is. And this will be golden. Golden. I can say it's yellow, not golden. I'm not as happy.
No?
Not really.
Why?
Because on the side, on the picture, it was much more nicer than here. Check. It was beautiful, bright and shining.
We'll see.
Because of this, we bought that, because it was really so beautiful. I'm sad. This is rainbow. Yes, from outside you can see only green and gray color, but inside looks like, yes, it's a kind of rainbow. Check on the camera.
Yeah?
Put here. Wait. Let me change. Come closer to me. Let me put this here. This is white. You need to do something with them because because I want to see how they look. This one. This is blue. So all this, it was nice and shiny and in bright and beautiful. But here looks like why you already have a home. I don't know if you see on the camera.
Yeah. You see.
Yeah. This is purple. Well, the purple color is beautiful, but how I'm saying, oh, it was very beautiful and shiny. And maybe one he will do something, one he will printing something will be that same. I really hope. This is how it looks. I don't know, you can see on the camera. Cool. Let me put this here. This is silver. Oh, Jesus. We didn't have red, just this bronze red.
Yeah.
Well, on the
Purple, blue, rainbow, red chopper.
and on the box it show very different. I mean the colors.
Blue.
Ocean blue, sky blue. It's okay. So on the box it doesn't show bronze red, and on the side it was the same. I did not say rose red, sunrise yellow, ocean blue.
Red.
This is
Red.
is the brown red. But on the box it show a lot of different colors.
Where is this?
This here, red bronze. Here.
Then bronze. Red chopper. Okay.
This is white paint. This is the wood.
Yeah.
Wait, let me
Check
see.
the rainbow.
Let me see something. Yeah, the rainbow on the side, it was much more beautiful, not like what you get.
Yeah.
Here it's a wood, here silk, 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 silk.
Yeah. It's okay.
So this is not red chopper, this is brown. Like, I don't know, bronze red. This, yes. This knit looks like wood. So that's all. I think I am done with this unboxing. Yes, I can say all is nice, and And I really hope when he will do something, I mean when he will printing something, will be as beautiful as how it show on the side.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
here looks different, believe
yeah,
me.
yeah, yeah.
We will see. So when if will be different, then you can send it back.
So yellow, rose red,
Yes,
sky blue, arctic white, ocean blue, light brown, carbon
carbon
blue,
black, we did
wheat
green,
green, meadow green, arrow grey, vitality orange, grace pink. All be
and
nice.
on the side,
Not.
nope, just that's all. And the rainbow, oh my gosh, it was beautiful. And here, where is? Wait, oh, here is. Yeah. And well, for US it was a little bit expensive. We will see how it will be. It's okay. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment, please. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram,
And
Twitter. And if you want to support us, then you can press the thank you button. See you soon. Bye bye.